Hi, welcome to Paul's Kitchen. Another exciting version of Who Do What You Do with Italian salad dressing. Today we're going to do linguica, Portuguese smoked sausage, with chicken. I got chicken thighs, family pack, and rice dish. So we're going to need these three, the Italian salad dressing, a couple of bowls. I'll show you what that's for later. I'm going to put mushroom and onion. Yes, I like mushroom and onion. We're going to have raspberry vinaigrette dressing with the Italian, a little barbecue, a little oil, some chicken stock, minced garlic, salt, pepper, garlic powder, Sazon Goya, good stuff. So I'm going to rinse this chicken off right now, and I'm going to oil my dish, my baking dish here, and oops, preheat the oven to 350. I'll see you in a few minutes. I use 2 cupfuls of oil, and I just spread it around the dish like this. And then we're going to take the chicken that I just rinsed and show you what I'm going to do for a couple of them. Then I'm going to do the rest of them myself. I'm going to flip them. The top gets a little oil on it, and then turn it and drop it. That's it. And I'm going to do that for the rest of them. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so we're going to season up the chicken thighs. Some garlic powder. Now I oiled it, flipped it over, and put the oil on it because the seasoning will stick to it a little better. So garlic. I'll just show you these 3 real quick. Salt, black pepper, and the Goya, Sazon. And that's it. See how it is? I'm going to do the rest of them. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, we're going to make this little marinade we're going to put on top of the chicken. Let's stick it in the oven for about 40 minutes, half hour, and see how it looks. Okay, some barbecue sauce. Using the glass bowl so you can see how much I use. There you go. Raspberry vinaigrette. Give it a little shake. That's enough. You see that? What you had in there? Okay. Italian. Of course, we know what you can do. You want to use probably just about twice as much of Italian as you did the raspberry vinaigrette for the flavor. We'll mix these all up. See the consistency? Now I put 4 cups of chicken stock, 4 cups of water, put some bouillons in there. You can use chicken stock whatever you want. I'm going to use a little chicken stock here. I forgot to mention earlier tomato paste. I'm going to use this with the linguica and the rice dish. I'll show you that in a minute though. Okay, we're going to baste all these. Put this right on top of this, and we're going to stick it in the oven as soon as it's ready. And I'll get back to you in about a half hour when we start the linguica. I'm using a boil and bag rice. You can use the regular rice. If you do, don't use water. Use chicken stock instead. You get all that flavor going. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay. Just wanted to show you. I know I said a half hour, but I just want to show you how I'm brushing this on. This is what it should look like before we put it in the oven. So we're going to bake this chicken in the oven. I'm going to add a little bit of butter on top and just about a ladle full of chicken stock in here for more flavor. And again, now I'll see you in about a half hour after it comes out of the oven. Half hour, 40 minutes, but we'll check on it. Okay, I know I said I'd see you in a half hour, but I wanted to show you how much butter I put on top and how much chicken stock I'm going to use. Just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to stick it in the oven for real this time. You can watch me. Ready? Here we go. It's going in. It is 412. Hey. See you in a little bit. We're going to start in about 30 minutes. We're going to start the linguica. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it up. I do mushrooms and onions with the tomato paste. Which I think I forgot to tell you, but I think I told you that. Yeah, okay. And again, the rice. So I'll see you in a little bit. Hi, everybody. Now it's the linguica. I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it in half. First I cut a piece off, then I cut it in half. Cut this in half. Cut this one because it's a little bigger. Turn it. And I'm going to do that to all of it. Put it in here. We're going to get ready to saute it. See you in a few minutes. Okay. Got my pan on. We're gonna start the linguiça. We're gonna use a little oil. You can use spray too, cooking spray if you like. My boss is calling me over there. Hey! Put a little butter in there. Put that in. Minced garlic. Linguiça, all chopped up, ready to go. Use that whole package. Let's cut some onions real quick while I'm waiting for that to get hot. Rough cut. Fine by me. Cut it however you want. Mince it, slice it. Okay. Oil's nice and hot. The butter melting. We put some garlic. About that much. Get that linguiça right in there. Now we're gonna cook this out for a few minutes, and in about 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5 at the most, we're gonna throw in some tomato paste. I'll see you in a few. Okay, let's check that chicken. Almost. I think we got another 15, 20 minutes. We're almost there with the linguiça. A couple more minutes, and I'm gonna add tomato paste, the mushroom, and the onion that I've already cut. And then we're gonna start on the rice. Unless you guys are doing your own rice, you know, the big bag, you do it for 20 minutes, you cook it, but you have 1.5 cup more of chicken stock than you do for rice. I'm using boiling in a bag, it's really easy. Nice and simple, 10 minutes in my chicken stock. And I got a little chicken stock left over here. I'm gonna make a little gravy after. Okay, see you in a bit. All right, so Linguiça, the rest of that packet, I used it on the rest of the whole chicken too. Some salt again, black pepper. We've got minced garlic in there, but we're gonna use just a little powder as well. That's plenty. Tomato paste, not much. And one more for the other side. Okay, put that right here, my wooden spoon. Mix it all up. We're gonna throw the mushrooms, the onions in there. We're gonna hit it with a little Italian salad dressing. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of chicken. Italian salad dressing. And a little bit of chicken stock. Let that cook out. I'll see you in a little bit. So you can see my linguiça mixture is almost done. Another minute here. I'm putting the 2 bags of the boiling bag rice right into my chicken stock. It's about 2.5 cups there. In about another 15 minutes, that chicken's all done. I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna cut it all up. I'm gonna combine everything together, and then we're gonna mow it. Now, if you think you're gonna enjoy this video, hit that like button. Go to YouTube and hit the like button and hit the subscribe. Please, it's free. Do it for me, for you. See you in a few. Okay, hey, been about 45-50 minutes on the chicken. Let's check it out. So yours truly here grabbed boneless and skinless chicken thighs, which I normally would use the bone in and the skin, but I had to get whatever I could at the grocery store. You know what I'm talking about. These look about done. They're nice. I couldn't get in as many as I could if I had the bone because they're smaller. My boiling bag rice is just about done. I'm gonna cut this all up. Combine it together, mix it up with the rice dish, and the best part after that, we're gonna eat it. I usually would use some Portuguese rolls, but I didn't get to the bakery. So, eat whatever you want with it, but I'm gonna show you the finished product real soon. So I drained out the grease. I'm gonna put it back in for just a couple minutes. And I'm gonna take it out. I took one out, as you can see it's right there, I cut it up. It's fine, but I took the the chicken stock, the grease, everything I used, because we can make a gravy later. I might not, we'll see. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna use half the mushrooms and 3/4 of an onion on this one. Okay, we're almost done. Just a couple minutes. See a piece of the rice I took out of the bag. And here, 2 bags. We're gonna pour in the linguiça, mushroom, and onion. I probably should show you on this angle. Well, yummy. Okay, now you could serve this like this and the chicken breast as well. We can make a quick gravy and put it on top. But we're gonna mix it all together because that's the way I like to eat it. 'Cause I like to eat. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, but go to YouTube and hit the subscribe button. If you wanted to make a gravy, you take some flour and put it in a bowl with a little water. Make it liquidy, not too runny, not too thick. We make a roux, put it right into this pot that we had all the juices from. It'd be an excellent gravy, so don't throw this away. Use it if you want. Okay, I think we're done. Shut this off. Take the chicken out. When it cools, I'll cut it all up, mix it together, and manja. See if you. Okay, let's slice this up. Probably a little bit too hot for you guys. My fingers are used to it. Cut it up. Don't cut yourself. Take your time. So I didn't use all of them. I used almost all of them. Now, if you have a bigger family, you'd use the whole thing. You'd use more rice, more linguica, everything. Okay, now mixing it all up. And let me get you a bowl. And there it is. The yumminess of the linguica, chicken, and rice with a little tomato paste, mushrooms, and onions, Portuguese style. If you enjoyed this video, again, hit that like button on YouTube. Go to YouTube and watch the video and subscribe. It's free. Do it for you. Do it for me. Yeah, do it for me. All right. See you next week.